So in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add a username to your WhatsApp account. So like a username is very useful for you. Peradventure, you want people to know your name without even asking you, or probably when you get to join a group and you are chatting on that group, people get to like identify you as this particular name. So I'll be showing you how to go about adding a username to your WhatsApp account. So for you to add a username to your account, come over to where you have these three dots up here. Once you click on it, then come over to where you have setting. So right here you can see I have mine already there. Mine is Nkem Charles. So for you to like add yours, so just tap on where you have that Nkem Charles. Like for you, it will be showing a default setting right there. So once you tap on it, then over here you get to see we have name here, we have about, phone number, and the likes. So just tap on name. Do you understand? So once you tap on name, then it brings an option for you to like fill in the name you want to use. So let's assume I want to use digital payroll. So I'll just type digital payroll. So once I type this, then I'll go ahead and save it. So once I click on save, you can see it's already showing right there. And that way, when I chat on any group, people get to like recognize me as digital payroll. In fact, anyone that comes to my DM, that's what they will see as my name. So that way they can get to save my name as any name I choose here. And that's basically how you go about adding a name to your WhatsApp account. So if you got value, do it to like this video, drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel.